Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your OneDrive storage capacity to 1 TB. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to your OneDrive dashboard where you can manage all your storage settings and upgrades. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes and your dashboard loads. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once everything loads, you'll be able to see your current storage usage and all your files displayed on the main screen. Now, to upgrade your OneDrive storage capacity to 1 TB, direct your attention to the lower left side of your dashboard. You'll notice a button that says Buy Storage. This is where you can explore different storage plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed. Once you click on Buy Storage, a subscription window will appear showing you the available storage plans. Since you're looking for 1 TB of storage space, you'll want to find the Personal plan. This plan specifically offers 1 terabyte of cloud storage, which is perfect if you need to store a large amount of documents, photos, videos, or other files. The Personal plan is designed for individual users and provides ample space for most personal storage needs. After locating the Personal plan, simply click on the Buy Now button next to it. This will initiate the purchase process and redirect you to the Payments page where you can complete your transaction. The Payments page is secure and designed to protect your financial information throughout the purchase. On the Payments page, you'll need to fill in the required fields with your payment information. This typically includes your credit card details, billing address, and any other necessary information to process the transaction. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues with your purchase. Once you've entered everything correctly, proceed with the payment to finalize your upgrade. And that's it! You've successfully upgraded your OneDrive storage capacity to 1 TB, giving you plenty of space for all your important files and documents. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.